What's baby doing? Hi guys, we are actually in my office today and you guys are seeing somewhat of a sneak peek. The reveal should be coming, I have it scheduled. I think it's gonna be this upcoming Friday. I normally don't throw up a video on Fridays, but I have a lot of content that I wanna get up this month, so I'm gonna use a Friday to reveal this office. So hopefully that's gonna be the plan. But anyways, so we're gonna do a Dollar Tree haul. I had to make myself some tea. Today I had to make myself some tea. I'm in between right now. I'm in fall mode, but I'm also in Christmas mode and I'm loving it. I'm not mad that I'm doing two things at once for myself. But I had to make some tea today because unfortunately, I didn't manage my asthma like I should have. I knew better, and now it's turned into, I think I was like having a sinus infection, and then that turned into my respiratory, and here we are with my bronchitis again. So I've been on my inhaler, I've been on all my stuff that I normally do, but I digress. So we're gonna sit in my office today. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. This is actually all, I believe, from that one store when I did the shop with me, and then I posted a haul after that. This is all the other stuff that I haven't shown you guys, and it's, buckle up, it's wild. I wanted to separate it because this has like Christmas stuff, so let me just dive into it. Let's start off with, you know, the tin cans. I mean, I've been hauling on YouTube for over 10 years, and these have always been a thing at Dollar Tree, and they just get cuter and cuter every year. I love these. Cookies for Santa. This is definitely a brand new print. All of them are gonna have this like traditional classic gold lining. So these are adorable. You can fill these up with like goodies as a present. You can fill them up with goodies and they'll travel safer in a care package. You could put them in a gift basket. You can make cookies for your child's teacher, your neighbor, your co-workers, like that kind of thing. That would be really fun. So lots of things that you can do with these. You can also display them, you know, like this. Like, look how cute that is. And they do come in multiple sizes. I wanted to show you guys the difference here. The snowmen are actually kind of like grabbing my attention. I always have loved snowmen. I don't normally decorate with them. Also, excuse my nails. I should have like done a trigger warning. I don't know if they're like a jump scare, but I picked them off last night. And so I'm gonna try not for them to be in this video. This print right here, I have this feeling will be a top sellout. And I would go grab this. I think this and the pink, because I know pink is becoming very trendy very fast for Christmas time. People are doing more of a vintage thing, and pink and vintage like just go together for some reason. But I really think this plaid Mrs. Claus Bake Shop, this is gonna go. And it's a beauty. This will be like, of all the ones that I have in front of me, I would like do something with the other three and like give it away as a gift or in a care package. This is my personal one that I would keep for myself. Now in this bag, we have some of their dinnerware. This is something that sometimes I just forget how impressive Dollar Tree can truly be. Like, we get dinnerware from them from a seasonal and holiday perspective. And they put out some of their Christmas ones. There's some that I just don't like. And I have to say, with the dinnerware with Dollar Tree, I feel like it's split 50-50. It's either hit or a miss. I have to say this one is my favorite out of all of the others that I saw. But we are getting plaid from Dollar Tree, and y'all know how I feel about plaid. I just I've always loved it. So we get a regular plate, which they did perfectly. They did it almost like a charger, where they didn't put anything in the center. Then you have this plate that you can layer on top. I mean, does that not look so chic? I mean, it's really kind of giving Pottery Barn. Crate and Barrel, Williams-Sonoma maybe. Home for the holidays. Again, they have other like sentiments, but this one's the best in my opinion. I just thought the other ones looked cheaper. And then we get the bowl. So they put that at the bottom and then they just trimmed it. That is lovely. I'm so glad they didn't try to put the words here. You know what I mean? Like whoever was in charge of the home for the holidays and the placement of everything, they did it right. So this is a total hit for me, not a miss. And then we have the matching mug. I honestly didn't even bother with the other dinnerwares, although I am gonna eventually haul them and show them to you guys. This one, I couldn't walk away from the store without grabbing it. So super cute, love the detail. Yeah.
These are so nostalgic.
I know, did you just time warp? It's so funny, I was gonna say that too. I was like, come take a bite out of your childhood. I made Micah those like muffins from the pack where you just add milk or water, and it was like the berry mix one, and I used to make those all the time when she was like in middle school and high school, and then we just stopped doing that. And I made them this morning. If you guys watch my vlog where Micah and I went grocery shopping, we grabbed a pack of it, and anyways, so she just took a bite of it and like took her back in time. Okay, next up, let's go into this bag. So we got 4 total bags today. This is bag 3. And let me put you on this gem right here. I love this. I love this. So far so good. I really am very like, I wouldn't say judgmental, but maybe that's the word. But with Dollar Tree Christmas, I have such high hopes because there have been years, and we all know the years I'm talking about, like 2016, I remember, was chef's kiss with their bags and everything. And then there have been years where it just wasn't as good as others. I'm hoping 2023 Christmas from Dollar Tree is going to be off the charts. So far, so good. Like this print of Santa, I love how vintage he is. He kind of looks different. I don't know. He looks younger, but he's so cute. And the fact that his bag is plaid is sending me. They also have this in the tablecloth as well. But I just got these. And I definitely got the napkins to junk journal with, but I got these to put in my pantry, and it'll just be fun to like, you know, grab for these instead of regular plates since these are disposable, but I am throwing these in my craft room. This snowflake is gorgeous in person. There's just this like detail to it that I don't even know how to describe it, but the faux crystal effect is absolutely stunning. And what I love too about this ornament is the size of it. This is just gonna really up level DIYs for you guys. Garland. Who remembers in our favorite house, where I did the garland across my bed and then I used Dollar Tree snowflakes? I would have loved to have had this snowflake at that time to add to that garland because of the size and just how stunning this is. So run to get this one. Next up, I found these new toys in the toy aisle at Dollar Tree. Run to grab these. These could possibly fit in stockings, so they could be great as stocking stuffers. In our house, sometimes stuff doesn't quite make it into the stocking and it kind of like, you know, lays around it in a way. I don't know if that's a thing for you guys. So if it doesn't quite fit, is my point, this could also be something you could just kind of like lay around if that's how you do your stockings as well. But great for care packages. They're thin, space saver, very light, but these are definitely brand new at Dollar Tree. So I found some for like, you know, the boys, and I found some for the girls. And this one is like Jurassic Park. So cute. You can see like the end result should look like that. They give you the markers to color the whole scene. That is really cool. Then we've got Transformers. This one is my favorite. Like this would be the one I would want for myself. But I just can't believe it. Then we got the Barbies. I mean, I don't know if they're technically Barbies or what kind of dolls they are. I'm sorry. Who? What? When? Where? Why? Look at her in London. She's a world traveler. Okay. Okay. Then we have this one, and she is going to Paris. That's where she's headed. Love it. Love that. It's taking me back to my childhood. Where's she going? New York. You know, it's always those cities. No offense, right? Like, can't we get like, I don't know, Minneapolis? Or Jacksonville? Or like Dallas? Probably one of my top favorite things at Dollar Tree are the coloring books. I say that about everything, so let's just face it. I cannot wait to really like dive in, because when I was shopping for all this at my Dollar Tree, they hadn't even really put Christmas out. Everything was in boxes, so I can't wait to really see what's going on. But who doesn't just love to color? Like all the ages. Coloring is just so fun, and it's very like stress-free, and I don't know, it's just so good. One of the things that like I really focused on, I know it sounds silly to harp on like coloring books and stuff, but one of the things that really changed my health was how I managed my stress, because that just is so unhealthy, and stuff like this can really help with that. So anyways, we've got the Disney princesses for like a Christmas. You see that? This is something that I've noticed Dollar Tree is doing more and more each year. They're giving us books and coloring books and all kinds of things for each season and holiday. And I love that. That didn't always used to be a thing. And then we have this one. So cute. Oh, this one's adorable. Sometimes I want to color in children's coloring books because sometimes I don't want to like work with such small fine lines in an adult coloring book. It's just nice to like just, you know, color in a different variety. Then we've got this one. Love this one. Like, and you've got a mix too, which is really nice. You got a mix of like puzzles and all kinds of things, you know? So those were the 4 that I found, and that was bag number 3. And in bag number 4, our last bag, I picked up these new, what do I call them? They're called large embossed classroom decor, but they kind of like give me ephemera vibes. So I kind of consider it ephemera, but this is brand new. The little paintbrush thing, these are so cute. I love junk journaling with these. So I was very excited that I found a new set from Dollar Tree. Then I picked up the good old little pom-poms. This has been around for a while. You get this little pack, and then this one. Again, I got these for junk journaling, but these are great for crafts, all kinds of things, DIYs. So I got those. Then I picked up the bells. You know, just good old bells from Dollar Tree. And they are so pretty. They don't even look $1.25. Like, they look like bells from like Hobby Lobby, you know? But they're a Dollar Tree, which is really nice. Oh, and here's silver. So I'll show you all of them. They're large. Now, Dollar Tree does bells in a variety of sizes, so look out for those as well. Then I found a hot cocoa ball, or like it's like a bomb, a hot chocolate bomb. Just so cute. Look at that. The packaging is really pretty, so it'll look lovely in a gift basket, but also for your own personal coffee bar. And it's got the, you put it in your hot chocolate, and then on the inside, it's chocolate on the outside, and then it's got marshmallows on the inside. So super cute. And it says the directions are: you place the hot cocoa ball in a mug, you pour over hot milk, and stir and enjoy. So I guess technically you don't have to like make your hot cocoa then put this in there. It turns into hot cocoa, if that makes sense. So those are the official directions. Then I found some new crafting items from Crafter Square. These really pretty flowers. Love that. And then we've got the white and then pink. There's got to be other colors to this. I would imagine blue would be my guess. But I think I only found the 3. All right, next up, this is brand new from Crayola. We've got these brand new toothpastes. Activity Fluoride toothpaste. They are Brush Buddies in the silly scents. So we've got watermelon and we've got strawberry and we have bubblegum. I am seeing a lot of Crayola things lately. I hauled some bath products, some bath gels and stuff for the kids, and it is so super cute. But these are brand new at Dollar Tree. So FYI, those will not last long if I had to guess. Next up, I got these white teeth whitening strips. Yeah, I think these are new to Dollar Tree as well. This one, it's 6 strips. So it's a 3-day treatment. Gives you the instructions on the back. And then this one's infused with charcoal. So those are new to Dollar Tree. And we're gonna end this with just some books. These are the Hardy Boys. Now I know I've hauled a bunch of Hardy Boy books, but this one looked like unfortunately I can't quite remember. So I could have already hauled this. I could be high, yeah. But here we are. So it's the Secret Files, number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. So got this one, I don't know. I love these. These just remind me of my childhood. Hardy Boys, Nancy Drew, the Babysitter's Club, like those were all like the core preteen books. So anyways, if you like want to build a little library collection for your kids, these would be a great pickup. And they also, I think, would fit great in a stocking as well. So you could consider these little books for that. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below. Let me know what from this haul you have put on your shopping list that you want to look for. I cannot wait to reveal the next space, which is my office. If you missed my entryway reveal, I will link that down below. I just posted that, I think, yesterday. I'm looking at it now and I absolutely love it. It also kind of like reminds me of our favorite house. So it's kind of just like gives me like really good memories and I just love it. So if you haven't seen it, I hope you check it out. That's gonna be it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.